Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file. I've already erased some of it, and I made your lines thicker. But they asked if they could, if you could have multiple clones, and sure you could. I've set my nudge factor set on 5, and I'm going to select the red, and I'm going to go to edit, and I'm going to clone it. I'm going to move. I actually moved over twice. Edit, clone, edit, clone, and this is where a good hotkey would do good. Then you can take that one and Control D and put it down here, and Control D again, it'll put it down, and then you could Control D again and do whatever you want to with this. This is a tessellation kind of, now what is cool about this, well, it's not that cool. I don't really see the point because if you look, it's all green on one side, and it's because the green's on top layer. But if we took the green and right-click the dark blue, they become dark blue. And if we take this as the clone, Control Curve, and if we make it black, and we make the red yellow, you could change the entire thing up. So I guess that's what he's trying to get to. And, you could make this a purple. Now I'm right clicking to change the color because it is a line. But anyway, so yes, you could have multiple clones. And I'm just thinking of the other ways you could use this. And not, this is okay, but the red is on top of the black. Maybe you could go through and change that order of just this one. Let's put it to the front of the page, and now the black on that one is like that, so we'd take this and make it blue, and it's blue there. But there's other ways you could use this, and I might even think about it and try to figure something out. Hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.